Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make a small modification in Google Chrome to enable the tab audio muting button. So basically instead of having the audio icon, you are going to have a mute button. So just going to give you guys an example over here. I just copied my YouTube page. I just muted audio. The video has been playing over here. The audio icon you can able to see here, you can't able to mute it by clicking on it, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. By clicking on the mute icon you can able to mute the page guys. I show you guys how to do that. All you have to do is open up new tab and type here chrome colon double slash flags, press enter. In search flags you just need to search for tab audio, tab audio muting UI control. When enabled, the audio indicator in the tab strip double as tab audio mute controls. You just need to click on this drop down and select enabled and select the relaunch option. Now after relaunch Chrome, you can go to a YouTube page. Just playing this video guys. The audio button you can able to see just by clicking on the audio icon. You can mute or unmute it guys. You don't want to right click on it and select unmute side. You don't need to do that. You can easily access by clicking on mute and unmute it guys. And that's all you have to do it guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.